Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super helpful topic: how to cancel an order on Hollister in 2025. Whether you accidentally ordered the wrong size or changed your mind about that trendy hoodie, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted quickly and hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you're logged into your Hollister account. Head over to the Hollister website or open the app and sign in with your email and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need one to manage your orders, so go ahead and create it if necessary. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Account section, which is usually found in the top right corner of the homepage. From there, click on Order History or My Orders to see a list of your recent purchases. Now, find the specific order you want to cancel. Look for the order number or details that match what you bought. It's crucial to act fast. Hollister typically allows cancellations only if the order hasn't been processed or shipped yet, so check the status right away. Once you've selected the order, look for a Cancel Order button or link. This might be next to the order details. Click on it, and you'll likely see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure. Double-check everything, then confirm the cancellation. After that, keep an eye on your email for a confirmation from Hollister. This will verify that your request has been processed successfully. If you don't receive one, double-check your spam folder or contact customer support. A quick tip: if the order has already shipped, you might not be able to cancel it directly. In that case, consider initiating a return once you receive the item. Also, always review Hollister's cancellation policy on their website for any updates, as things can change. And there you have it. That's how you cancel an order on Hollister in 2025. It's straightforward and saves you time. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.